Hey guys, D3 Funhouse here, and today we have, I'm going to see if you can guess it, and if you already guessed it, Sinister Steve from Home Depot. I know I said his name wrong, I said Sinister Steve. Wait, what? Okay, are you excited, Daddy?
Yes, we got Sinister Steve here, brand new clown from Home Depot, 2023 collection, right? We haven't opened him yet. We're opening him for the first time on video, right? We had a couple people actually ask if we could get him and do an unboxing, so here it is.
Yeah. Oh, and if you guys haven't noticed yet, I'm wearing my Spirit Halloween pajamas. Even though this is from Home Depot, who cares? We all love Spirit, right?
Oh yeah, look at this. As soon as you open the box, you see
His
Sinister
box,
Steve.
his box looks just like Teary, doesn't it? Because his box is purple.
Same collection, yep.
Yes.
From Home Depot.
Yeah.
We want to get some other ones from Home Depot, I think, too, don't we?
Yeah, they're clown. Wait. From Home Depot, there are other clowns.
There is no other clowns, I don't think, but...
What other scissors?
Alright, here he is, Sinister Steve. So it says he's 4.5 feet tall. He's got LED lights, he motions, his jaw moves. He looks really good for 90 bucks, or actually 80 bucks, I think, and free shipping. That's up here. That's a pretty good deal. Even though he's a little bit short, we need some shorter ones too.
Yeah.
You know, we don't always want 12 footers and 8 footers, and it's nice to have little guys too.
You know what would go good with him?
What?
What's his name? Oh, Dagger Mike. Dagger
Mike.
Because he's little. He's a baby clowns.
Yep.
Baby
We
clowns.
need some 3 footers. Like they got the 3-foot witches and the 3-foot skeletons.
But they're not clowns.
I know. All right.
Hey, the most important part. Instructions.
That's right. All right. So this is probably for his leg.
Yeah, which looks totally awesome.
It looks good. Yep.
And once again, oh God, Jesus. I would normally say these instructions are so medium and little. This is not medium or little. Is this medium or little?
No, they're big.
I know.
Here's his tool belt.
Wait, where's his tools?
They're in here.
Oh,
Here's his neck piece. Here is his costume. And then there's where the sensor goes. Here you go. Here's his head. But
Look at him. Is that creepy or what?
got some bug eyes going on.
Oh, jeez. Yes.
All right, here's his.
Hammer,
Here's
hammer,
the
hammer,
hammer.
hammer.
That goes in the tool kit there when we put that on.
I'm gonna break the camera.
Here's his shoes.
Oh, jeez, these are really bad shoes. They're like work shoes, but they're also like clown shoes, ain't they?
Here's his 2 legs there.
Oh, we still need his screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
I'm a handy clown. I'm a handy clown. I'm a handy clown.
Here's his mechanism.
That's a very small mechanism.
There you go. If you want to put that over there for me with the rest of the stuff.
This is heavy.
All right, here's the base. 2
Oh, gotta do what I always do.
Here's his plug here. We're gonna put the rest of this back in here.
I love clowns. See, this is why I love clowns. They have so much fun accessories and scary heads, don't they?
All right, let's see what's the first here.
First is First is put B and B on
Right
to
here.
the stand.
All right, so I'll put one in, you put the other.
Oh, I'm a clown, by the way. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna get her out of the video.
There's our dog Ellie.
Yeah, you want to say hi? You want to say hi to the camera, Ellie?
Hi Ellie. What are you doing?
Yep.
I'll put this one on. There's his legs. What's next
Not
there?
legs, shoes.
His legs and his shoes.
Toes. D&D.
D&D?
D&D.
Oh, these go over for his like knees, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so these go right on here.
Jesus, who's that?
Does it go in his shoe? Alright, so actually you put these down in his shoe to hold it in place. There you go.
Jesus. Oh, yeah.
So the costume next. Put that down here, and then we're going to put his mechanism on. Little costume. You
Yeah.
could probably fit in it.
I know.
Looks like it's your size.
I know.
Yeah.
He's a 4.5-foot clown, so probably going to be right at eye level with you. So you're just going to feed both sides down, right over his legs, and kind of make sure the
I got it, Daddy. I got it.
okay the leg part is sticking out here, because you're going to put the mechanism over top of his waistline.
Hey, you looking good so far.
Yep. All right. So next is what? The mechanism, right?
Yep.
So you want to make sure that the sensors in the front
Got
there,
it.
these just snap right into place. Everything's fitting really good on this guy. Sometimes these things don't fit right.
Jesus.
All right. So you're gonna just find the hole here,
I just hit my head with Sinister Steve. Sorry, Sinister Steve. I know I hit you.
and you're gonna make sure that the sensor is poking through the hole here. You're
Yeah.
gonna make sure the sensor's poking through the hole there so you can see him.
Yeah, and if it's not, your Sinister Steve's gonna be like,
It won't move.
Yeah.
What's next?
he's gonna be a static prop. What's next is head. Yeah.
Head next. He's got some bug eyes, doesn't he? We have to see if we can poke, like, if the eyes will fix themselves, because he looks a little crazy right now. So you're just gonna put the 2 tabs in here, right?
Mhm.
And then what are we gonna do? We're gonna make sure that the black wire is connected to the black wire, and the red wire is connected to the red wire.
Is that blue wire?
What's next?
What's next is
Everything else is already connected, so that's nice.
What's next is my jokes. He says he tells
Through the arms.
clothes on.
The clothes on. Doesn't
God,
really
this is
matter.
so hard. I don't know how you do this. No clue how you do this, Daddy.
I've done it many times.
And I've done it 0 times, so I'm really bad
Yeah,
at
you
it.
do it too.
No, I
You're
don't.
not bad at it. You said that. You helped me. Alright, so.
Yeah, can you get this one on for me?
Yep, I got you.
Oh, wait.
Alright, so the arms are on now. Oh, here, it goes over.
I know, I'm fixing it.
Okay. Alright, put the neck thing on there.
Can you hold it from the back?
Yep.
No, don't do it. I want to do it.
So you're gonna put his little neck ring thing on there. Alright,
He
guys.
looks terrified. Does
This-
he look terrified?
Yes.
Why is his
Tool
tooth is
belt.
way shorter than the others?
And it looks like this just velcros around him here. His toolkit. And then it velcros here on the side of him.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Alright, there he is.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Let's plug him in and see how he works.
He
Ready?
looks good with his hammer on.
He is, he's pretty cool. He's a perfect little size. I
Oh,
like
this
having
is a light up.
There we go.
What do you call someone that steals a bunch of wood? A lumberjack! Hey! You should go check out the prices on new carpet, wood, and
see anything. That's
Looks like I'm a stud.
That's creepy though. That's creepy.
Let's end it on you. Looks like you're a stud. Hey, what do you call someone that steals a bunch of wood? A lumberjack. Hey, you should go check out the prices on new carpet, wood, and tile. The prices floored me. Let's test out my new stud finder. Looks like I'm a stud. Let's test it on you. Looks like you're a stud. Hey, what do you call someone that steals a bunch of wood? A lumberjack.
All right, guys. There is Sinister Steve from Home Depot 2023.
And if I haven't,
You should go check out the prices on new carpet.
and if I haven't said it enough times, make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Oh, and hit that notification button and
Like, subscribe, hit the notification button, comment.
hit the
Right.
bell icon.
Bye from Sinister Steve.